Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode on your Motorola VerveBuds 300. First of all, we have to take out of the case these earbuds, and in the most cases they will move to the pairing mode automatically. As you can see in my case, they are already here, but I'm going to show you how you can make it manually if this automatic method not working for you. So first of all, let me just turn them off. Right now we have to turn on only the left one. Here it is. And on the right one you have to click and hold until this indicator starts blinking red and blue. Just like that. And next tap on the switcher, and as you can see the VerveBuds appears on the list. So right now we are able to tap on it and connect them. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.